Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out. Thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. Alright, so for this video, we're going to be using my almond short soft gel full nail covers. Excuse my voice, I am feeling under the weather. I think it's just allergies, to be honest, but here we go. I'm just going to be sizing my nails out, making sure they fit wall to wall. If you guys are interested in these soft gel full nail covers, I do sell them in my Etsy shop, and as always, the link will be down below. So yeah, I'm just going in and sizing them out. If you have problems shaping like I do, these are going to be perfect for you because there's not too much shaping and it makes life so much easier. So don't do what I'm doing, but there's this new product that I'm thinking about adding to my line. It's a glue gel. So like it's kind of like a harder polygel in a tub that you just can kind of like scoop out. That's how I picture it. Don't touch it like I'm touching it. I'm just touching it like that because I wanted to show you guys what the consistency is like. But when I tell you this is like the easiest thing ever, I'm literally obsessed. If you guys have ever used something like this before, let me know. I know it's kind of like a newer product. I'm just going in and I just scoop it, put it to my nail, and as you can see, I'm just making like minor adjustments to it. Once you do it a few times, you kind of get the hang of how much glue gel you should be putting in your soft gel full nail covers or whatever you're using to apply, or whatever nail tip product you're using. But as you can see, it's so easy. Honestly, kind of obsessed with this method. I still love my polygel because, you know, it comes in different colors and you can play around with it, do a little bit more things. But if you need like a quick, you just want to pop your nails on, give them a paint, quick design, this product is my new go-to. And I didn't speed it up for this part just because I wanted you guys to see how quick it is in the full process. But you definitely want to make sure when using this product that you don't touch it because the oils from your hands can kind of ruin the product. So as you can see, I'm like dipping it in there because I don't want the oils to my hand to get into the sample. But like I said, I've already been up in there touching it and all, but that's only because I wanted you guys to see the consistency. But yeah, if you guys are feeling this product, let me know. I definitely am doing some more work on it, and I think I am going to be adding this to my Etsy shop very, very soon. I love it. You just want to make sure you do a very thorough prep routine before applying, but I absolutely love it. Not timed, like, you know, I sped it up a little bit here, but honestly, putting these nails on took me 5 minutes, no joke. No joke, 5 minutes. I didn't have to pull out a slip solution, a brush, none of that. All I did was dip it and go. So yeah, I think this is going to be the next product for me because I absolutely love it. So here's what the nails are looking like. Like I said, you want to make sure you do a good prep, but loving it so far. What I'm going to do now is go in with a 80-80 grit emery board, and these are linked in my Amazon storefront. I'll leave the separate link to it down below, as well as a link to my Amazon storefront. If you guys are Amazon shoppers like me, I do have a storefront where I list all of my Amazon favorites. So you can check that out down below. I don't know about y'all, but I love Amazon because it's just perfect. It gets to my house within days and I don't have to go out to the store. I just love it. Plus, there's more variety on Amazon, I feel like, than if you were to go into a store. Anyway, all I'm doing is shaping them out a little bit, and I'm scuffing the tops of the nails because I want them to be rough because we will be using a chrome powder. I'm doing this look that I saw on TikTok, I believe it was, and it didn't come out how I wanted, so I'm going to be redoing it again, probably in my next video. It still came out beautiful, but I'm going to go in with this Cozy Cashmere Gel Polish by iGel. And let me tell you all the tea about this. I absolutely love this nail gel polish color. I love the color, right? But do y'all know how long it took for this to get to my house? It was insane. I heard shipping times on iGel Beauty is a little long, but it honestly took, I think it took like 2 months to get to my house just for this and some acrylic powder. So keep that in mind if you decide to purchase this. I don't know if they sell it on Amazon, but if they don't, and if you don't have 2 months to wait or you're very impatient like me and you want your nail stuff right away, that's just not going to be for you, because I was tight. But I absolutely love the color, so it might be worth the wait. But I went in and I did 2 coats for this. So the color was amazing. What went wrong was the chrome powder color I used. I wanted to use a white one, but I used like a greenish one because I thought I had white and I didn't. So that was the only thing. I still love the nail design for sure. Oh, I forgot. Before I went in with my regular top coat, I went in with this subtle glitter top coat. This is a no wipe top coat by Nails Cat. Then I went in with a regular gel top coat. You don't have to do that. I just did it because it added more sparkle to my nails. You could honestly just go in with a basic, gel top coat, call it a day. I was just being a little bit extra. But yeah, I'm just going in with that. And then here's the chrome powder I used. This one has a little greenish tint to it. Like I said, I wanted a white chrome powder. It would have been perfect. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still beautiful. I still absolutely love this design, but I was going for a different look. So I'm going to try it again. But yeah, this is easy. All you do is you cure, take it out the lamp. I would say cure for about 30 seconds, 25 seconds, and then go in with a eyeshadow stick and just scrub it on your nails. So I went in with some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and I just, cleaned up a little bit. Honestly, just take a makeup brush and just wipe it. Don't be like me. I just didn't feel like going to get it. But yeah, I went in with the top coat after I did that, topped off my nails. I know my cuticles look a little crazy, but don't worry, I got it out. I didn't top coat my cuticles, obviously, but it looks a little janky here. Don't worry, I fixed it. So yeah, here I'm just going in and I'm cleaning up around my cuticles, as I said, and then bam, my favorite part, cuticle oil. You guys already know I'm going in now and I'm trying to develop a different cuticle oil. These are cute, but I just wanted to develop something different. Those will be coming to my Etsy shop soon as well. But here are the final results. Super cute, as I said. It has a little bit of a greenish tint. I love it. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and everything is linked below as always. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.